ladies especially millennials yari horo arika Stacy the millennials horo wegi cosmetic beauty mase bana go at an advanced age
makura kurite.
You see we to kura because we are the senior millennials ni ogiathire gicagi ure mo gukura na tuhina tuiretu Ora ni wona Facebook ando maekia tu vijaga kaire tukauga atane makauga ni Wajiro ule siku hizi anajitanga shi no
todo munini ndoge amenyire ne shi kana ne hi
yes ithio theginya magoro mahana ibuku ria graph mugunyukire wari constant
na goce ya guo
yes kera cire tu ciamenya go cia balehe unajua kubalehe ni gukinya adolescence yes how no wamenya aya koyo akora mwana wa mwiri
na no hende okinya puri marecia rugongori
yes
ithuothe twenjagwo nguruto uniform nguruto
yes and those girls the ladies you see the millennials they are market ones ni megukwira maita maria meteteire ku correct ya nduri ore maigua aya kahebe mwega ni kairetu
niwe witagwo
Ugawe ni kairetu
todo appearance
and some savages would continue on that line ni wakihana kahebio
kaiwa kumuria we ni chizi
nini when duanze nini muskila no very many times you would confuse them tondu one tari kwaja kugia korio wewe kaire tu ciaretwo muci we na ihetheri and then your parents decided they would not give up aluta
continue
yes my kugia you would inherit your brother's clothes Ewa Samu kaya ka ukanyu ya tago atia
tikae
haya tikae haya ne kairetu
ino waje wito
kai ni juga ne kahere tiaraga mwaya kila kinyathaniki mami wira gatindaga na icio
cia gutukura wira
and you know nowadays because even the wanja keheza fewer in this generation ya kina Muthoni the ladies in this generation are very feminine yes tena hii airetu ni matwika nginya ihe gukira ihe cio cienyewe
kwaja no airetu ria no ma ekora aciaretwo mucie wa airetu atheri
yes
gutiaga wo umwe go stand out
yes you see and that is where there were the wars of muyetu ginyania kinyalo chowe akamuriha rohe kamurari nganguo because they were his I think she little petite little demure you know you do ona that's a lady tene wa thiaisa yo yasiria gudu kwagane kwage yo ihenyi and you see the millennials are like this one maundu ma cosmetic ma semania na mumia kethi yagite
actually cosmetic area riu marika mau mangita cosmetic kaundu cosmetic
yes
ni mundu kume form 2
yes
upwards
kana some early bloomers ni moya hai karama yekira donya haikai makia kapodege atumama they would look pale abonana tissue
pode agutha puru
agozo thererio gu hando utakomu expect no wecirie etu to Nigeria tuma makaburi ni tuhaure andu the hair is shaggy no thiko ichiona mae kila style cia nginya ngiri 10 yes thina ne umagwo
na mahinda magacenjia
yes ayuangi azuaka no yohana mukura nyongu sasa ne foda
yandu
okihana mukura nyongu ne mohu they would struggle to look not like boys.
And you know rĩu mũndũ macio to mũndũ ndangĩahotire kũmeka mũthenya.
Yes.
Mekĩkaga one day.
Once in a blue moon. Either tata wanyu okite. Yes. You know, our ladies are Nairobi ni maekoragwo na, you know, they have a handbag. Yes. You either bari. Wewe ni uramukigirira ni kuigwa ginya kinunga wega mukigwa keimara nunga methuguiti. Because you would not know anything that smells better. Akinunga keki. Akwira oka aje ni guhiririe guoko kaeroka manake kayetu kaigwa reu. That was the closest they would imagine muchingo wa iguru mutarare
ahuireirio nĩ tata we.
Yes. Na ndio ahuireirio marathi meo marashi metago miss. Yes. Miss akinyargongo. Yes. Na rimwe ni warakaragira nyukwa muno kaire tukanyu ukona ka ofo kahuireirio marashi nyukwa kaua ni ambe athia gethambe.
Tathi ugethambe.
Ugethambe urahuireirio marashi na thithino icio ciaku. Wenda oga. Ukiuma bafu tataguo ni athiri. Ugatigwo na munungo wa kwangu. Tani ando matiano
nafahamu.
Ando matiano tsate muno ne anunga thithino. It was fashionable. Yes.
It was actually acceptable.
Yes.
Especially rugongo.
Yes. Well, tataguo kekone kitu kanyu kamukigirire hau. Ki hakalo shoni. Maguta mari kwidi. Akia evuguoko. Kujira guoko akaberia. Kaberio. Pero wethirime.
Ake hakalo shoni.
Wakaigwa ni marasa masukari agasona. Niwe yagere muno gutwika tatagu wakura ke mundu ethirime mothe
thio wega ukaigua maranunga wega
ma kihege nyina kero anani elia musene haha we muiretu we uyu chonoka
manioro
Let me tell you, these girls are millennials. Like me turagire makagura sauvage, makagura modamogel, baguta mahpehri na Italy, makagura Tom Ford, todo wa mekapitia.
Maundu macio matingia imaginire magikura.
Never ever. Never. Ona wetu ikawa kia kamera singombe ni rega omekame.
Neko register gaza foreign element.
Yes. No, these guys are from the struggle. Lotion. Una ukire makura na mathie ginya college matari mona lotion.
Very true.
Yes. Lotion wa ameonera college na ne komirithio ne iretu ya maumete Nairobi. Kana wathie theko kundu wetwo kwina andu akuma kundu kungi.
Kundu kwina muchanganyiko.
Unathie DB. Todo ndiri challenges ya mwali nacio nocio mwatwara kundu kundu.
Mwatwara thukuru. No rĩu wathiĩ rĩu thukuru ta district provincial
nĩũretirwo Bishop Gatimu Gandu nĩũretirwo Tumutumu Girls nĩũretirwo Kahuhia Girls High School Mugoiri Girls ugacemania na the upwardly mobile millennials wakero haya unajipaka valon
no kamenya nĩ kũrĩ mĩhĩrĩga ya maguta
hende uhenetie yuyu okay mwaka maguta muheni wana mundu wathi kuina ndumo
ara ia cirago nĩ Musaimo atumia amekodi
ala kefat okay gosh mtu ajipakangi hiyo kuja nikupatie tutakuwa tukitumia yangu then when you go home mwambie mama yako kununiange nini kama hii ndio ni lady yes na Nivea yes yake ukawa bigo
ndio thiete thukuru na reis
ndio thiete na na maguta ma ũkama ona kå thä tondå wa thä na å rä a å rahanaga rä maratunyåkithio njoku
maretherwo kä baba
kuu nä kå rä u wakora rä tu manjia kå gä a irå the imagination yake na mami wao mamutamaka kũu no niĩ ndĩakaga maguta maya ma maithirini
maithirini
no niĩ ndĩakaga rĩ ici no ndathekerwo ngerwo mau makagwatwo ndutu rĩu ũkũhoro ũcio akaũtambia kũrĩ tatagu akona atĩrĩrĩ mwana ũyũ nĩekũgĩa na
esteem issues
akiuga nĩ arĩmũgũragĩra kĩrĩ
maguta
and just like that the esteem of a girl from the Crown Highlands got built athiĩ hihinya kĩbaba gĩake kĩa lotion akaigua nake she is fit no agĩthiĩ form 1 ndarĩ thĩna
aca form 1 ndwakorwo na rũu
athiĩ nginya na kahari abagie njuĩrĩ na gaticio ga gwĩkĩra binti yellow Sudan
mũgĩthiĩ form 1 akorwo agĩte atĩ njuĩrĩ na nyitĩro tondũ akĩingĩra njuĩtĩro from primary na mũrenjagwo ng'ũrũtũ
actually nguo njerũ uniform rĩ citiatwaranaga na structure they are from the struggle. Yes.